Let me explain something to you, LA. Let me explain something to you, man to man. Now, I'm up here in the mountains, and I've been doing my motherfucking thing. I've been helping brothers expunge their records. Do you understand what the fuck I'm saying? Now, I got about a year, not even a year, say about from this summer, after fall hit again, I have about, say, about a half a motherfucking thing again, maybe to next spring, to that following spring of 2017, that I am going to retire from being who I am. And LA, I am coming down out of these motherfucking mountains. I'm going to Chakalaka. You understand? I'm going to Chakalaka. That's going to be where my home is going to be. And by me coming down out of these motherfucking mountains, guess what, bitch? I am going to come through Ben Harbor, Michigan. And bitch nigga, I'm not talking you in no goddamn roast. I'm telling you man to man. I am going to come there. I am going to come to 1010 Lafayette, where that bitchin' ass mama of yours at. And I'm telling you right now, for 1 hour, there will be no police in Ben Harbor, Michigan that you can reach. There will be no motherfucker who you can call. You understand? There will be no cops in that motherfucking area for almost 2 hours. My friends in the Ben Harbor Police Department has guaranteed me that. And bitch nigga, you gonna have to come there to make me suck your dick, bitch. You understand what I'm saying? You gonna get the opportunity to make the bone picker suck your dick. You understand what I'm saying, you faggot bitch nigga? I am gonna bust you the fuck up. I'm gonna fuck you up, LA. I'm gonna do this shit personal, bitch. You're gonna get to see me, and you're gonna get to tell me to my motherfucking face, nigga, to suck your dick. You know what I'm saying? When I come down out of these motherfucking mountains, bitch, I'm gonna be retired. I won't be no cop no more. I won't be where I break any law, but I'm gonna break a law all over your motherfucking ass, nigga. I got the bail money, I got everything, but I guarantee you, for 2 hours, you won't be able to call no motherfucking body, bitch. It's just gonna be me and you, one-on-one, in mono, this old motherfucker from a wheelchair. So you should have no problems. You should have no motherfucking problem making an old bitch from a wheelchair suck your dick. Right, nigga? I am going to beat the fuck out of you. I am going to do it in front of your mama. I'm going to do it in front of your son. And I'm going to do it in front of Michelle. And ain't nobody going to be able to stop me. Do you understand that, you porch monkey bitch, you? I am going to be the last motherfucker on earth you ever tell to suck your dick. Because, bitch, I'm in a wheelchair, right? I'm some old motherfucker. I'm 80-some fucking years old. So you shouldn't have no problem in making the bone suck your motherfucking dick. And like I said, before this over, I'm going to piss in your motherfucking mouth, nigga.